Is your Chevy Silverado 2021-2022 key fob displaying an open case error or simply not working? The most common culprit is a dead battery. These fobs use a CR2032 battery, typically lasting 1 to 2 years. Replacing it is a simple DIY task. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery, available at most auto parts stores. Locate the notch on the fob, usually on the side. Gently pry it open, avoid forcing it. Pop out the old battery, note the positive side up, and insert the new one with the plus mark facing outward. Snap the case shut and test the remote. If the open case error persists after a battery swap, or the remote still doesn't work, try resyncing the fob. Hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. If problems continue, especially on 2021-2022 models, a faulty keyless entry module might be the issue. Some vehicles were subject to recall number 22V-123. Contact your Chevrolet dealer, as free repairs may be available. Always use a new quality CR2032 battery to avoid issues with counterfeit batteries. If you had to remove the metal key blade, ensure that is reattached properly.